Well, I finally just realised something. Collataz conjecture solution. At last, I finally understand it, Paul. Why the Collataz is important. It's the twist ratios. So, as the bubble, a bubble of cavitation must exist. Water contains air bubbles. Air bubbles, at the point of collapse to a hemisphere. So that a sphere, a bubble under maximum black hole huge density, collapses hemispherically from the bottom up. The mass, the cavitation occurs in a hemisphere, and that hemisphere pumps itself back up again at the center, pop, so that it can't collapse to a hemisphere. So you have the two forces, the balance between collapse to a hemisphere and not collapse to a hemisphere from a sphere existing at the same time. And that the 4 to 2 to -1 twist ratios is the collapse conjecture collapse. When it goes from, when you get to 1, you're always going to go 4, 2, 1. Okay, but you don't go 1, you go function of 1, because the 1 is orthogonal, the 1 has a value. The 1 is Euler's identity. Yeah, it's actually 0. It's a positive 1. So you just go -1, 0, 1 brackets, and that is it. That exists. That little function exists. That's the engine of E equals mc squared that exists. So now we're just examining everything we've done examines that function. It's the start of the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci just starts at root 2, -1, 0, 1, off it goes. It looks so beautiful when you do it like that. And that the clockwise function is merely pseudo. It's a pseudo vector. Clockwise vector complete is a pseudo vector. There's only a part of it, and that's the -1. So that twist ratios of a hemisphere of force, that hemisphere has 3 dimensions: the outside of the sphere, the inside of the sphere, and the flat disk of the equator. The outside has 4 twists, the inside has 2 twists, and there is a -1 part of a clockwise rotation at the center. Each click, 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 each quanta of time, Planck's constant, real seconds, or Newton meters second squared. Because there are 2 perspectives of Planck's constant, from the inside and from the outside. Yeah, inside the cavitation, or from the perspective of the water itself. Simple. 2 perspectives available. The Collataz conjecture solution. Thank you, Paul. I love you. See you in the future. Follow the Rebel King.